Drop it with you, what?
Don't do that. I don't name nothing. I don't name about the man name I find out say you have earlier. Tell
Which
them.
man name? That's not man name.
The man name, but she name Shadon.
I said Joe.
Turn the camera. We are trying to. Eh? We are trying to. The ice lolly, after you go eat the ice lolly and get sick now, look on our face. You see the face of people? And that make you sick. Look on our people. Look on our people. Tell her no. In a Migla, England, a winter, and in a Migla bed, Migla night, window open, I eat ice lolly. Eh?
Which window open?
In people?
If the window open, you.
Come on, oil pan. Oi. I just go take a walk on the road and go buy something right now, people, because, you know, one of them moment in the night, you see?
108.
108 and we go on the road go buy something. So we haunted, you know, people, because more while, you see me, especially when I not have work, it's just lame, like today, you see me, so can't too live in that house. So I always have to find a reason to go to late night vlogging. Don't it? Yes. So take a look walk, people, as we say. Go down the road and get something to eat, isn't it? So, yeah. Look, you know, so here's some come, basically. Buy me liquor thing them. Look for ice cream. You see it though, people? Claims that she's sick and I look for ice cream. Really? Really, girl child? So not keep answer to people.
Huh?
Why I eat that in a cold and you claim you're sick?
Because that's what I want. That's what I feel for.
Right. You know.
Leave so icy in my mouth. Just suck on.
Yo, why is that? Why? I eat next time, you see me? But I go to that shop every day, so it's just that he's not regular there. You see me? But anyways,
Before now, we're talking about?
we'll buy what we have to buy and we're just heading back now. Man, I'm always costing something. Anyway, people, just a quick late night vlog. Just took a quick run to get a few things, and as I said, we're just going back now in it. So still on the road. Just to take a walk and thing, you see me? So yeah. When we reach back inside, you know, I guess you guys are chatting. Alright, people. Just a reach in, you see me? I can't tell you, wet up outside. I don't know if you can see it. There's so my jacket that shine. You know, usually so shine, you see me? Yeah, man. Alright, people. So, we have a look at a nice piece of sheet, you see me? A sheet we call it? Or duvet. Whatever they want to call it, you see me? And basically, beside design, or another one.
That's a pillowcase.
Yeah, but may I say we have a sheet. But I see him design this?
Kind of.
No, wait, hold on. I'm soon come back. Alright, people, so that one I'm meant to show still. So the design for the two of them can go on, you see me? So obviously these are pillowcases, as someone had to mention. However, I bought a piece of curtain, you see me? You know, just to nice it up a bit, nice quality. Got it off Amazon.co.uk. You see me? Not telling the price, just check it out. This is the brand, the size, everything. So you can check it out. And actually see the size information, right, Jason? So you can go check it out and see the price, whatever. But you know, I think it looks good. It feels good. And maybe we can match it with something. Maybe this one since it's more lighter. Although the pattern on this kind of nice. Feel it, Makita. Like, feel nice and like thick in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't know. Yeah, so you know, basically just start up a Christmas buying already. Just getting everything in order and everything. You see me? One by one. Don't it? Alright people, as you can see. But you know, just here editing, you know, the little videos them that we did. And this one yeah, just ate like 2 icicles in half. I know she had dead people, you see me? But yeah, we just, you know, just they edit them little 2 vlogger. Cause we say, yo, we'd have to go on something today, even though like today was not really a busy day or nothing. But, you know, thought, well, maybe for those of who that did want to see us anyway, just decided to kind of pop you guys a video. So yeah, share dead people as you can see. You see me? I not laugh after, I don't think so. You miss that horribly now. I try face. It's not that horrible, you see me? But yeah, so you don't know. We catch you again on another vlog. Keep lock to the Millie fam. You see me? Millie man, Millie woman, or Millie girl, or Millie boy. You see me? I know Lily tie. Yo, keep it locked, guys, and keep the fam. Keep close. Man.